Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly handy app, HealthChampion. The all-new app where you can monitor your health by tracking simple stats like your daily exercise, heart rate, blood pressure, and so much more. With HealthChampion, you'll get the opportunity to manage health conditions with ease, get tips from experts in the field, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you think you might have an illness, you can also track symptoms and receive advice on when you should go to the doctor and what to do at home. Explore the many great features of HealthChampion in this video made in collaboration with PreApps, and discover how you can take the next step towards a safe and healthy lifestyle. You can download HealthChampion today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. With HealthChampion, you can choose from a wide variety of stats to monitor. Start off by creating an account and updating your profile with basic info, like your current temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. You can also keep a log of the foods you eat as well as your daily activities. For exercise, log how much time you spent doing physical activity each day and rank it by exertion levels. As you input more information, the app will give you helpful tips on foods to consider adding or removing from your diet, as well as fun exercises you can try. In addition, with the rapid spread of the COVID-19 virus, you can even track your daily prognosis and take a survey of symptoms such as fever or coughing for advice on when you should be tested by a doctor. For chronic conditions like asthma and diabetes, HealthChampion even has special programs that allow you to monitor your symptoms and medications. With so many options, HealthChampion has something for everyone and is bound to make your life so much easier. In addition to manually inputting information, you can also link the app to devices such as an Apple Watch or Fitbit, which will automatically record vitals like oxygen levels and heart rate. This way you can keep a more accurate daily log without having to type in anything. Another helpful feature is account linking, where you can track not only your own stats, but also those of a child or elderly parent you're taking care of. With so many helpful features, you can keep track of your entire family's health in check, all with the simple push of a button. Whether it's allergies, chronic conditions, or other illnesses, HealthChampion keeps track of all of your needs in one secure location. Improve your diet and exercise routines, receive expert advice from top doctors, and keep your family health like never before. Integrating digital medical devices, personal health observations, and electronic records, HealthChampion keeps track of all of your health needs and information in one secure location. Stay up to date with medications, advice for illnesses and chronic conditions, and even improve your diet and exercise with this incredible app. Start your experience today by downloading HealthChampion for free using the link in the description. Enjoy.